Hi, my name is Úna Halpin and I'm a heritage expert on the Heritage in Schools panel. Today I'm going to show you a creative way of observing and recording some of the natural and built heritage in your local area. I live close to the River Barrow with my family, and today I'm going to show you one of our favourite walks and then show you how we recorded that as a 3D map. After turning down from the main road, we come to a small lifting bridge, and from here we turn right to follow the towpath upstream. We see lots of long grasses, nettles and wildflowers which are great for wildlife. We pass under a stone road bridge with a grotto beside it. There are lots of native trees and shrubs in the hedgerow beside the track, and birds and insects are busy all around us. The map that we are going to produce is the story of our walk. We pay attention to things that we see along the way and then try to create them when we return home. Our last bridge is a small stone footbridge, and we turn back at this point. We could make a map by drawing it on paper, but we're going to make a 3D map. We've made our map using natural objects from our garden. Small stones represent the water, twigs are the main road, and the grass is the towpath. We have larger stones for houses and bark for the bridges. When building outdoors, it is best to stick to natural materials, or if you are adding toys or other man-made objects, make sure to remove them afterwards and not leave them outside where they may be harmful to wildlife. You can also make a 3D map out of toys or other objects in the house. This is Michael's 3D Lego map.
So here we have our houses and some of our neighbour houses, and the loch, and 3 bridges, and then we have some flowers and hedgerows.
Why not have a go at creating your own 3D map of your favourite walk or favourite place to visit? You'll probably discover lots of new wildlife and heritage that you never noticed before, and it's a good starting point to do some research and find out more about your local area.